Unbelievable January results on our channel. Indeed, it is very beautiful. Today I'm giving you a report. Our YouTube channel saw a massive and a tremendous increase in views, that is in January, and it had a great boost in engagement, and it gains a lot of subscribers, and in fact we can say it gains thousands of subscribers in 1 month. We are very grateful for this great support, and even we're very grateful to God. And having said that, I really know that this year is a great year. It is a year of manifestation. It is a year that whatever we are going to touch on, it is going to prosper. Now with the Immaculate Show family and the followers that are coming up, people who are coming right now, subscribers, today's video is very interesting. It is mind-blowing because we want to show you how we did, how we performed, what we did, what did you what did you add on Immaculate Show in the month of January, because month of January can determine month of February and can determine the whole year. So we choose the one that resonates with our audience, and at the same time that resonates with the style. This is what we have been giving you. Now together with you we'll be going to the screen recording. I want you to see the ambience, the genuine thing that we did, the picture of what you and me did, and even the whole crew of Immaculate Show, what we did in the month of January 2025. You know, there are a lot of things that we hear people talk about, that if you become things that people talk about, especially if you want to be social media entrepreneur, there are a lot of myths, a lot of misconceptions. You will get them, but the results are in front there. So this is something like, it's an advice to people who are just coming up. I'm also coming up. We are coming up as Immaculate Show, but we have already taken a baby step. There is a step forward. So whatever you do, there are things you're going to face, but don't give up. The massive support, massive performance we got in the month of January 2025, being the year of our manifestation, whatever has been prepared before, this is the year that we have to manifest. This is the year that the world has to see through us. The world has to read the love in us. The world has to read what we talk, and at the same time the world has to see with their own eyes, not only with the words. But before that, I salute you everybody, especially our new subscribers. You guys, get a seat and sit here. This is the right place for you to sit and have lunch. This is the right place. It's I think if you sit here, you'll not go hungry. Thank you very much. And for you royal subscribers who have always been here, I mean royal viewers, you're awesome. We love you so much. Who are we for you to allow us to be on your screens? It's not simple for you to get your phone on a daily basis and you start commenting, you start watching. I don't take it for granted. So I hurt you so much. Thank you very much. And January set a pace that none can break. So let's dive in and really see how we performed in the month of January 2025 that has set a pace that also February 2025, today as I record this video on 14th, it is so awesome. In fact, if we do like for like as to last month, by 14th we have like tripled the performance and amount and the viewership. So let's dive in and see. When you go to see in the month of January, you guys, this one is directly from YouTube. It came as a newsletter, so don't think I've edited. You know, some people will not believe of what they say, so that's why I decided to do code for you and to show you exactly what is from YouTube itself. So Immaculate Show, they sent for us our monthly newsletter for in the month of February, talking about January. They talked about your February month in review is here. So the most watched video, it was earn $30 per day, that is daily, as you can see on the screen. on WhatsApp, how to make $30 a day using WhatsApp. This video was awesome. Let me flip you and I take you to where it was. This is a video that has reached so far 28k views, and it is still counting, and it has so far reaped more than $2,000 in these 3 weeks, and at the same time it has gotten the highest number of engagement and views. It has also opened up to other video ideas from the questions, from the comments and recommendations. So your channel updates from last month, we had 58 new uploads. 58 new uploads. Before we had started a marathon, a challenge of making sure that every day we put 2 to 3 videos, but because of our nature of work, I work every day. I have only one off day, so I work from Monday to Saturday to Sunday. It is a bit hectic and tear. So for our really sanity, we did 58 uploads, that is video. If you're to divide them into 31 days, it means every day we are doing two videos. It was still a marathon. We didn't back up. It is only 3 days that we did 1 video, so we did not miss a lot. Well, they said 58 new uploads, and really they appalled us. Remember to keep your well-being, because sometimes people cannot believe. They say keep your well-being in mind and establish a sustainable schedule for yourself, because this was crazy. We got new subscribers 1,104. We got total views, it was 28.9k. Minutes watched 80,000k. Yes. Now when we go to see our statistics, you people, you're with me. Why am I giving you this as it loads? The main objective of giving you these details is to push you to know that if you start something, it is not going to yield, it is not going to bring results on the same day. It is going to bring results with time. So don't start today and expect to see the flower getting fruits immediately. No. In January, people watched your videos 28.949 times. That is 28.9k views. Watch time was 1.4k. Subscriber was 1.1k. So if it was a new channel, would have monetized it, and estimated